need your help.
dukeneye ubufasha bwawe mu kinyarwanda bita benda
Forget about it.
icyo mushaka cyose mukibagirwa.
You know how much it cost me?
uzi icyo byansabye?
Why in the hell would I ever help you?
ni iki cyatuma mbafasha?
The person who took my son works at your hospital with Cheryl, and you're the only one who can help us get.
Niwe wenyine wadufasha kugira ngo umwana wanjye mwisubize. Niwe wenyine wadufasha kugira ngo umwana mwisubize. Ibyo wakoze urabizi, niwe wadufasha kugira ngo umwana mwisubize. Ni filime. Itaba. Wa muganga ari guhamagara, uyu niwe turi guhiga Dr. Hera dukeka ko arashimusa umwana ugashobora kuba ari papa w'umwana.
Hey, it's me.
Ni njyewe.
We gotta leave town.
Dufite kuva mu mujyi tugahunga.
I'm leaving here right now.
Mu isaha imwe umujyi ndaba nkuhunze. Umugabo umujyi agiye kuhunga.
Have a good one.
Theo, dore wa mwana witwaga Mateo basigaye mwita Theo.
So we were going to the park.
None twe tugiye muri park ya birahindutse.
Let's go.
Umwana ni muzima yirirwa no ku mihanda yikatisha ry'u ice cream.
Just relax.
Tuza.
That bad?
It's a bit high.
Well, if you want it lower, you can always send me.
Umuvuduko wazamutse nimba umanuka nyine mu manure.
How's our patient doing?
Murwayi wacu ameze ate? Rebe.
I see you're making friends.
Ndabona atangiye kugira inshuti.
My charm.
Uriya nabonye atari kubona ububogari bwanjye.
Eating healthy, so I made a stop on my way back from
Sarah.
home.
Sala.
If you put a salad out of that,
Ndagukunda ariko nuzana salade muri icyo gikapu urayirira. Nizere ko ari inyama.
You want it?
Cyaka Benz.
I take it back home and have it myself.
Rebe nimuze baramugemuriye ariko mva ukuntu abanza akiyama umukobwa we ngo mwana wanjye ngo ndagukunda ariko nimba ungemuriye salade muri icyo gikapu ndakuniga. Arebye abona ko harimo ibiryo.
The bullet didn't kill you, so one cheeseburger won't.
Rero kuba isasu ritakwishe nubwo abaganga bakubwiye ngo urye neza bagimwe ntago yakwica wana ni firiti.
Dad, I love
Niyo
you.
mpamvu ngukunda rata mwana wanjye ibintu by'amasalade.
Yeah.
Yego.
What?
Uyakiriye amakuru Recho David binjiye ndetse na Hayden.
That was Chopra.
Uyu ni Chopra umamagaye.
Rose and Rachel.
David Barros na Rachel Mills.
Someplace called
hari ahantu binjiye
Productive Part-
hitwa Bag Reproductive Partners.
The whole city is hunting for these.
Umujyi wose uri guhiga abantu babiri.
Pit stop at a fertility clinic.
Aho kugira ngo bahunge umujyi bahunge n'igihugu bo bari kujya kumena ngo binjira ahantu hatangirwa intanga mu bagore.
There's more.
Isi ibintu bihurira hehe?
Payne was with them.
Ndetse ikintu gitangaje Hayden Payne yari ari kumwe nabo.
They arrested him on
BPD bahise bamufunga.
Now listen,
Umva.
BPD's not gonna let you talk to Hayden Payne.
Abapolisi ntabwo bari gutuma uvugana na Hayden.
Over to Berg and see what the hell they were.
Ahubwo genda winjire muri bag muri kiriya kigo urebe n'iki bashakagayo. Ikindi Sara.
If Julie finds out,
Wirinde.
investigating, she's coming for you.
Julia cyangwa se Julie namenya ko ukiri gukora rino perereza kandi yaguhagaritse arakwambura badge ya polisi.